Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to connect Printify to Etsy. A step-by-step tutorial. Expanding your Etsy shop with a wider range of products can significantly boost your sales and simplify your order fulfillment process. One effective way to achieve this is by linking Printify, a leading print-on-demand platform, to your Etsy shop. This tutorial will guide you through each step of the process, making it easy to enhance your online business with custom products. Step 1. Create accounts on Printify and Etsy. Start by navigating to Printify's website. Follow the prompts to create a new account. You will need to provide some basic information about yourself and your business. Next, go to Etsy's website to get started. Follow Etsy's step-by-step guide to set up your shop, including listing your products, setting up payment methods, and configuring shipping options. Step 2. Link your Printify and Etsy accounts. Log into your Printify account, go to the Store drop-down menu, and select Manage My Stores. Click on Connect and choose the Etsy option. If you're adding Etsy as a new store to your Printify account, select Add a New Store instead. You'll be prompted to log into your Etsy account to authorize Printify to access your shop. After that, log into your Etsy account again and navigate to the Shop Manager section. Within the Shop Manager, locate the Integrations tab. From the available integrations list, choose Printify and follow the instructions to complete the connection. Congratulations, you've successfully connected Printify to your Etsy shop. This integration will allow you to add a variety of custom products to your store, streamline your order fulfillment process, and potentially increase your sales. If you encounter any difficulties or prefer professional assistance, consider hiring a freelancer or platforms like Fiverr. There, you can find experienced individuals who specialize in linking print-on-demand stores on Etsy and making your product for you. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more.